CWB is headquartered in Ontario, Canada, with satellite offices and almost 300 employees across Canada and the US. For over 75 years, we have helped create and shape the welding industry in Canada and abroad. CWB's culture is one of the factors that really sets us apart from other organizations. First, I would say that we are a values-based culture. We really do our best to live our core values.
Truly professional, casual, friendly, fast-paced, engaging, connecting, inclusive.
At the CWB Group, we get involved in so many different industries and so many different welding processes. It's this massive landscape that you can get involved in. And I always have found to this day, even though I've been here for almost 32 years, that I'm constantly learning. So if you're interested in learning, if you're interested in working for an organization that's involved in so many different aspects of the welding and joining industry, the CWB Group is definitely something you want to consider.
From frontline services to research and development, it always has been and always will be our employees that drive our success.
There's great people here, and if you're interested in welding, this is the place to be.
Values are everything to culture. They help us define the behaviors and attitudes that are embraced by the organization. At CWB, we aim to provide an exceptional employee experience for everyone that works here, and that starts with a common understanding of the values that shape our environment.
I started here 16 years ago, and even today we've grown significantly after 16 years, and the culture still feels like a family.
I really enjoy working at the CWB Welding Foundation. Our work is about raising awareness of welding and related trades among youth and young adults, as well as enhancing welding education across Canada. It's so satisfying to work for the foundation because we're not only helping Canadian industry, we're also helping individuals who need it.
Another excellent initiative is the work of the Diversity, Equity, and Inclusion Employee Resource Group. These colleagues are doing amazing work to educate our workforce and to ensure that everyone feels welcomed, included, and valued, no matter who they are.
So we're like a family who understand each other, and we really collaborate effectively with one another to meet and exceed client expectations.
What's really kept me here is the people. And I've said how I always felt that support when I started, no matter where I was in the world. I still see that to this day.
Living our values is what makes CWB a place where people really enjoy working.
So I choose to work at the CWB Group as a welder. It gives me the opportunity to see the industry evolve, be part of the team that actually helps implement those changes.
Le CWB, c'est un groupe de professionnels qui s'entraident entre eux autres et qui ont à cœur la sécurité du public.
At CWB, I feel trusted and supported to be able to do my best work. I also really love the flexibility we have embraced as a company. CWB encourages me to create a remote-first working schedule that not only works for my customers and my colleagues, it works for me too.
I absolutely love working from home, not just for the convenience, but clearly for the impact that we're making on our carbon footprint.
Being able to work remotely and the remote first model has worked out really well for me and my staff.
The CWB Group offers quite a lot of flexibility, which helps quite a bit with home life and work-life balance.
We are always looking for talented people whose values align with ours. I know where you choose to work is important, and it's a big decision. So if you're still undecided, or if you have questions, let us know.
It's a great place to work, and everyone is friendly. There is a flexible work environment. There's lots of opportunity.
Reach out to me personally or any member of the HR team, and we will be sure to get you the answers you need.
Join our team, join the CWB Group.
Join our team, join the CWB Group.
Join our team.
Join our team.
Join our team.
Join the CWB Group.